Thank you for the time and opportunity given to us. I'm Agus Sarmega Pratama with my friend Putufania Marani Swasta. We both are going to share our research result entitled Exploring Impoliteness Strategy in K-Drama Manifest Discussion, a case study on single Inferno 3 fan reaction. And allow me to share the screen right now. The digital age has transformed how we communicate, especially within fan communities. And Twitter or the X is one of the online platforms allow for immediate, diverse, and global interaction. And K-drama fandom is a global community with passionate engagement across digital platforms, where the fans use social media for discussion, fan theories, and sharing their enthusiasm. The existing research on digital impoliteness often overlook niche community like K-drama fans. A focused study on K-drama manifest can reveal a unique aspect of online impoliteness. There are two goals in our research. The first one is to analyze the impoliteness strategies in netizen interaction on the K-drama manifest account, especially regarding single Inferno 3. The second one is to understand the dynamic of impoliteness within this fan community and its implication for digital communication. And we move to the importance of the study. First is enhances linguistic understanding of impoliteness in online interaction. The second one offers insight into digital fan culture and the social dynamic of K-drama fandom. The last one, or the third one, bridge culture practices within digital communication analysis. We use Culpeper theory, in which divide into 4 impoliteness. They are about on-record impoliteness, positive impoliteness, negative impoliteness, and sarcasm or mock impoliteness. It is categorized into descriptive qualitative research approach to explore the nature and the context of impoliteness within the K-drama manifest fan community. The data from the comments and replies on the K-drama manifest account related to single Inferno 3 posted on January 3rd, 2024. Employ purposive sampling to select posts with significant engagement measured by the number of replies and interaction intensity. For the data analysis, as we mentioned before, we use Culpeper theory in 2011, which divide 4 impoliteness, and we try to find out the forms and the function of the impoliteness strategy observed. And it is conducted a thematic analysis of the collecting data, identifying prevalent impoliteness strategy and their context within the fan community discussion. For the discussion and analysis will be continued by my friend Putufania Maharani Swasta. Time is yours.
Thank you for the time, Mr. Agus. So in this research, found that 4 impoliteness strategy by Culpeper that are about on record impoliteness, positive impoliteness, negative impoliteness, and the last one, sarcasm or mock impoliteness. So for about on record, we found one of the data by Doki Krams, post in the 3rd January 2024. So these users use to express a strong negative emotion directly without any mitigation, aiming the character of Minji and her choices of pajama, which is openly criticized. The topic is a scene from the show Single Inferno 3. The user is commenting on the appearance of the character pajama in the specific scene. And then the field involves a critique of wardrobe choices in the context of the television show, especially focusing on the how appropriate or fitting the actor is for the situation. The relationship between the user and their audience on social media, as well as the subject of the tweet, which is the character Minji from the show. The mode is written digital communication or social media. It is informal and conversational, utilizing the shorthand of an emotive expression common in online discourse. And then for the positive impoliteness, one of them, the data from the Kiss Your Lips on the post on the 4th January 2024, and then she categorized Minji behavior with the derogatory label "pick me." The commentary insinuates that Minji is acting a way that seeks a male approval and disapprove manner within the community. Additionally, linking her with red flag men implies that she is associated with those who may be considered undesirable, which can be seen as the future harming Minji positive phase 1. And then the field of the discourse is the social media platform where the show is being discussed and where the personal characteristics of the participant are evaluated by the audience. The tenor is of the communication include the social roles and relationship between commenter and Minji. Despite likely not knowing each other personally, the social media context allow the commenter to assume the position of judgment over the Minji reaction and the character as presented in the show. The mode is the written text in the form of social media posts, which is afford a certain level detachment and encourage more direct and potentially impolite expression that might not be readily shared in a face-to-face interaction. And then for the negative impoliteness, there one of them data from Maaf Halu. So these users use term of alay banget, really extravagant, and especially a term pelakor. Pelakor is a colloquial term for a woman who is blamed for ruining someone else's marriage or relationship, akin to the term war, represent a direct attack on the person face needs. These terms attack the social value and status, constituting a clear case of negative impoliteness. In this context, using the term like a war is a powerful way to affirm someone dignity and social face. It is intended to ostracize and stigmatize the addressee by associating them with behaviors that widely considered socially unacceptable. The field here is the conversation about a scene in a key drama Single Inferno 3 to show itself, and the participant behavior within it are being scrutinized and discussed by the viewers. The relationship here is between the commenter and the person in the TV show. There is an element disapproval conveyed by the commenter who assume the position of the moral judgment regarding the behavior exhibited by the TV show participant. And then the communication is taking place in social media, which is a public and less formal platform. The medium allow for and possibly even encourage less restrained expression of opinion that can be often harsh and direct. Nah, for the last one, sarcasm impoliteness, there is data from Sika that post in the 3rd January 2024. So she says that kalau aku jadi Minji, aku malu sih lihat ini. Soalnya jual murah terus, menye-menye. Kalau aku jadi dia, sumpah aku nggak bakalan lihat ini. And this statement seems to be sarcastically implying that the person in the question, Minji, should be ashamed of her behavior, suggesting it's cheap or overly sentimental, using the hyperbolic language to ridicule the idea of the seeing oneself in such a situation. The field data is a relative issue Single Inferno, and especially behavior and appearance of the participant Minji as a portrayed in a particular scene. The commenter is reflecting on how Minji perceived based on her action in this public domain. And then the social roles and relationship among the individuals involved. In this case, the commenter as an observer assume a position that permitted them to judge and comment Minji public persona. The use of the first person hypothetical "if I were Minji" indicate a subject opinion that also attempt to create relatable stance for the other viewers. And then for the mode, this is the written text on the social media platform, which is characterized by informality and high level of accessibility by a wide audience. The nature of the platform encourage expressive and emotive language, allows users to engage with the content and each other in a space where communal norms are negotiated publicly. So for the conclusion, so the analysis of the social media commentary on the reality TV show Single Inferno 3 reveals the sarcasm or mock impoliteness is the most common impoliteness strategy of the interaction. This approach suggests that viewers prefer to critique the show participant in a way that combine with humor, with criticism, allowing them to convey the approval while maintaining a sense of community. Positive impoliteness follow with direct criticism that affect desire to be liked, indicating the community unafraid to express the approval. Negative impoliteness and bold-on recall strategy are less common, showing outright confrontation and less favored. Within the context of Halliday and Hasan theory, this reflects the field of reality TV fans community, the tenor of the social media as a space judgment, and the mode of the written communication that encourage amplify such a impoliteness strategy. The data underscore the intricate hierarchy of the online discourse, where anonymity and public visibility shape social interaction and identity construction within the digital fun community. Thank you.